Hello guys, now I'm going to show you how to move all your data, as much data as possible from your Apple Watch, from your Apple Health to your Garmin Connect application if you want to switch from Apple Watch to the Garmin, and how to do that for free. So at the very beginning, of course, we should open Garmin Connect application. Of course, we should connect our Garmin to the smartphone, to the Garmin Connect account, and then open settings. In the settings, you should, at the very beginning, of course, connect your application, your Apple Health, to your Garmin Connect. It will, of course, connect it only in one direction from Garmin to Apple Watch synchronization, but unfortunately not vice versa. But we will fix it. So now, after you enabled it, download from the App Store Health Sync by Appy Hubs application. This application is free for several using. I'm gonna show you. Click Agree, OK, Allow, Next, and here you should select Apple Health because we wanna move data from Apple Health. Click OK, and here we should select Fitbit. If you don't have Fitbit account, you should create it and link it better to your Google account, but I think you have a Fitbit account. Fitbit, this is the Google service for fitness trackers that Google owns, so you can log in into Fitbit using your Google account normally. Okay, and now we should select the data we wanna export to the Fitbit. Click on one of them and click Enable All. Click Next, click Turn on All, and export all data from your Garmin, from your Apple Health to the Fitbit. Click Next, grant access to your Fitbit account. Wait a while, I should log in to my Google account. Wait a while, guys. And cool, that's it. As you can see, connection status is OK, user ID, my name, and now click Sync. You have I'm gonna show you trial period. You have 8 days to try sync information. After the time, it will cost you for about $5, but we should do that only once. Okay, so we don't need to use this application constantly. Cool, so as you can see, sync status is OK, 14 July 2025 as 14:11, so it was right now. Okay, what should we do next? Nextly, we should open our website. We should open GarminConnect.com, log in to the Garmin Connect account, and then here on the right top corner of the Garmin Connect web page, you will see Upload or Import manually. Click Import Data and just leave this window opened. Now, in the next tab, just open fitbit.com/settings/data/export. Then click Enter and open Google Takeout website. And as you can see, here we have Fitbit data, Fitbit product. Select this one and click Next Step. Send, download via email link. Okay, it's maybe good way to sync data. You can even send it to your Google Drive. File type. File type, as you can see, it's not important to us. It can be this one. And max file size can be 50 gigabytes, but of course it will weight a bit more, it will with really less. Export 1 of 1 will start on July 16, as you can see. Unfortunately, Google don't give you fast access to your data, unfortunately, and you should do it in this way, that firstly it will process your data in their cloud, and they will send you to the email link to your data. Then you just should unpack this data. It will be in these files in CSV or XLS, and then just drop the data here, right here, and in this way you will be able to copy and to move your data from your Apple Health. So that's it, guys. I hope this was helpful for you. So please consider to like and subscribe to our channel and support me commenting this video. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.